Hey you guys, so today we're going to be making pantry stewed chicken. It's something I came up with, and it's literally a method that I use for a lot of my cooking, especially towards the end of the month when a lot of the amenities that I normally like to cook with are gone. I basically go through my pantry, see what seasonings and what additives I can put together, whip up the sauce and make a meal out of. So this is what I'm doing here. This is your premium pantry stewed chicken. It is Jamaican inspired, where I use a lot of spices, a little bit of heat, some spices similar to maybe a jerk chicken, but it's not quite a jerk chicken. I did not go for that type of heat in the sauce. Either way, it's my own little creation. There are many of these that I'll probably do a video for. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Check out the secret ingredient later on in the video. It really does add a whole new level to the sauce, so you'll see that later on. Anyways, enjoy.